Hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle, second 4 stars Sudoku in the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's the Wednesday, July the 6th, 2022. Um, we have here 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve, half of them. I've already solved 1 Sudoku with 3 stars. Uh, I will continue with the Sudoku with 4 stars. Later on, the binary and the tectonic with 4 stars. But first, the 4 star Sudoku number 4810. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. All right. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 4 1s. All right. We have here 3 2s, 3 3s, 2 4s, 2 5s, 2 6s, 2 7s, 3 8s, and 3 9s. So the ones are in majority. Let me start with the 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 1, okay. 1 1 1 1. 1 2 3 4 5 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers in 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 3 boxes here. 1 in this row, so no 1 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, no, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the middle row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. All right, and now I cannot continue with the 1. How about? Yeah. 8, 2, 8, 8, 8. We have 4. No. Let me see. 8, 8, 8. Yes. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in this row, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there in this big square. We have 8 in one of those 2 boxes. In this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. All right. Cannot continue with the 8. Okay. Then how about? Yeah. I'm thinking. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2, 6, 9. 2, 6, 9. Well, we have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 there. Here 9 in the second row, so no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be here. Okay, so the 2 and the 6 are left. 2 and the 6 cannot fill those yet. 9, 9. 9, 9. All right. Then 3, 4, 6. 3, 4, 6, 5. And the 2. Yeah. Five missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 7. We see here 7 in this row, so no 7 in these 3 marks. So the 7 could be here, could be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in the last column, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this column, first column, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, 3. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 5. We have a 3 and a 5 in this column. So no 3 and a 5 in these 3 boxes. The 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. So what are the other 3 numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 7 is missing. 8 and a 9 is missing. 6, 7, 9. 6, 7, 9. 6, 7, 9. Well, we have a 9 in this row. 9 in the row above. So in the first row, the only place left for the 9 should be here. So the 6 and the 7 are left. 6 and the 7. 6 and the 7. Okay. 6 and the 7. 6, 6. 7, 7, okay. 7, 8, and then 9, 6, 7. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9. And look, we have 8 and a 9 in this row. So no 8 and a 9 in this box. The 8 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 digit left in this column for number 7. Here I've eliminated the 8, so the 8 goes there. Alright, 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 5. We have a 3 and a 5 in this column, so no 3 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. The 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers. 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2, 3, 6. 2, 3, 6. 2, 3, 6. That means 2 numbers left in this big square. 2, 3, 6. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 2 and the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8. 7 and 8. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7, 7. Okay. All right. 8, 8. 8, 8. 9, 9. Alright. 3, 3. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this row. 4 the numbers are 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, and the 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7 in this row. 3, 5, 7, and look, we have a 3 and a 7 in this column. So no 3 and a 7 in this box. The 3 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 7 goes there. So now one box left in this row for number 5. All right. 1, 2, 6. All right. So we have a 7 in the third column, 7 in the first column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7, and this box should be 6. All right. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 8. Alright. How about the 7? Nope, the 7, 8. Well, 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. Now we have a 7 there. I've marked those 2 boxes early with the 7. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. And now I can count, and all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 7. Right. Then let me see. 2 numbers left in the third row. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Then 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6, and look, we have a 3 and a 4 in this column. So no 3 and a 4 in this box. The 3 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 6. Now we have a 6 there. So 1 box left in this middle column for number 1. The 2 is missing. So 2 numbers left, the 3 and a 6. 3 and a 6. Oh, now we have a 6 there. So this box can be 6 and more. That box should be 6. And this box should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 and more. That box should be 3. And this box should be 4. 3 and a 5. We have a 3 now. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes and there. Then 2 numbers left in the first row. 4 the numbers are 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in the second column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 5 in the third column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes and there. 2 in this column, third column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6, 1 and the 6. We have a 1 in the third column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 it goes there. 1 box left in the second column for number 1, the 2. No, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 in the third row, 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 5 should be there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 9 in this row. 9 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 1 in the middle row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Wow, same time as the previous Sudoku, but with 1 digit less. 1 printed digit, yes. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and let me indicate this with a 2 stars. Yes. Thank you, and see you later with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.